After ascertaining Atma as Nirupavika based on Panchakosha Viveka, it is going to be pointed out that Atma is identical with Brahma, the Adhisthana, the basis of the entire creation. Just as earlier, in the state of ignorance, Atma appears to be endowed with Pancha Kosha. Likewise, if not properly inquired, Brahma appears to be endowed with Prapancha. Entire Jagat appears as though the part and parcel of Brahma, which is not the case. Prapancha is Nitya, Brahma is Nirupavika, that is being now shown by Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma Vishuddham Param Swata Siddham. We have seen in the earlier verse. Nityanandaikarasam Pratyakabhinam, identical with Pratyakatma. Now, by defining Brahma, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam also. The meaning of Anantam we are seeing, Desha Parichinna Rahita, Kala Parichinna Rahita, Vastu Parichinna Rahita. Vastu Parichinna Rahita means it is not different from anything. There is nothing other than itself. Why? Every basis of everything is this Brahma only. Now that Vasturahitya in Ananta, one facet of endlessness, Aparichinna limitlessness, is Vastu Paricheda Shunyatva. That is now being derived in this stanza. Swasmad anyasya vastunaha abhava. Because of abhava, absence of something other than itself. Other than itself is what? Other than Brahma. Because of the absence of something other than Brahma. Means there is nothing other than Brahma. Everything is nothing but Brahma and Brahma only. Then how are you going to account word Jagat? If there is nothing other than Brahma, how do you account the Jagat? Two possibilities. Either Jagat must be separate from Brahma and everything in Brahma must be wrong. Or Jagat also is Brahma. Jagat also cannot be Brahma. Why? Jagat is subject to birth, subject to change, subject to destruction. Brahma is Anadi, Ananta, Avikari. That is not possible. How are you going to account this? Either it should be separate from Jagat, then Brahma will no more be Brahma, or it should be identical with Brahma. How is it? In the sense, Brahma is Satyam, Jagat is Aropita. It is something which is mistakenly superimposed, truly not there. This is just like, say, rope is Satyam, snake is Aropita. That snake has no existence apart from the rope. In that sense, we say that snake is nothing but Brahma. But actually Brahma is not the, snake is nothing but rope, but actually rope is not Brahma. In that sense we say Jagat is nothing but Brahma. Easiness in the Jagat is Brahma. Knowledge principle in the Jagat is Brahma. Ananda in the Jagat is Brahma. Sat, Chit, Ananda. Actually, earlier verse, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam. Satyam stands for Sat aspect, and Jnanam stands for Chit aspect, and Ananda aspect stands for Ananda aspect. Because anything Parichinna is Dukkha. So that which is free from sorrow, it is endless, ever-existing principle, must necessarily be Ananda Tattva. There is no other Ananda Tattva in the entire creation. So that it says, Swasmad Anyasya Vastunaha Abhava. Though Jagat appears to be there, Jagat in reality is nothing but Brahma. Just that there appears to be a snake different from the rope, but that snake has no existence apart from the rope. From that standpoint, it is Anyasya Vastunaha Abhava. Idam means Brahma. Idam Brahma. Sat Parama Advaitam. It is Sat. Sat is what? Trikala Abhadita. Ever existent principle. Never subject to change. Neither born nor subject to change nor destructible. Param Advaitam, non-dual, that and that alone is that. Param Advaitam, Advaitam. Paramartha Bodha Dashaya, that you may say, and how the Jagat is perceived, the world is perceived, Havidiksho, he says, in the Ajnana Dasha, in the state of ignorance, what Jagat is perceived, that in the state of ignorance, snake is perceived in the place of rope. So instead of Brahma, what we perceive in and through everything is nothing but Jagat, only in the state of ignorance. But Paramartha Tattva Bodhehi. When Paramartha Tattva Bodha is there, when you have got the direct knowledge of the final reality, that is Brahma, the Satchit Ananda Satyam Jnanam Anantam principle in and through the entire creation, Paramartha Tattva Bodhehi, the Bodhehi, say, Bodhehi, say, Anyat Kinchit Sammet Nahi Asti. There is nothing at all. So that is Anyat Kinchit. Anyat Kinchit means what? Anything other than Brahma, even a little of it, is not there at all. See, you dream or not? In the dream, you are the dreamer. Entire dream world is there. Dream experiences are going on. What is all this? What is the satya behind this? Your mind. It is your mind. Of course, illumined by Chaitanya. Otherwise, it will not be experienced as that. Your mind. Your mind is the one which projects entire thing. Here, basis is what? Chaitanya only. Likewise, here Prakriti, Maya, Shakti project the entire creation. Basis is Chaitanya, Brahma only. So therefore, Kinchit Sammet Nahi Asti. There is nothing other than this at all. Nothing other than. That means, in the wake of knowledge, in the state of knowledge, all that is there is Brahma and Brahma only. This can give rise to a doubt. That means, in the state of ignorance, Brahma is there and also Jagat is there. When knowledge takes place, like when the darkness is there, ghosts are there. Don't ask me whether ghosts are really there. So like that. When light is there, ghosts are not there. It says, Bertrand Russell said, I don't believe in ghosts, but I am afraid of ghosts. I don't believe in ghosts, but I am afraid of ghosts. So like that, 99% ghosts are imagined. 1%, yes, something is there. You can't totally deny 1% ghost that is there as such. So 99% are imagined only as such. This is all fault of grannies, unnecessary stuff in the mind of the other, even otherwise, a beggar can बुआ पकड़ू नहीं बुआ पकड़ के ले जाएगा. They don't know how much damage they do in the psyche of the child as well. So they create a scare for lifetime. They never think about it. It's not correct also. We should make them bold. Who is that? Mount Everest, first one to climb. Tenzing. Sherpa Tenzing. Then he was asked by the journalist, since what age you were practicing this? He said, since the age of 11. What? He was not practicing. At the age of 11, his mother was sending him with the sheep to graze on that base of the mountain Everest. And at times mother used to come and say, Beta, with fondling him, will you climb Everest, etc. She inculcated. Modern mother, hey, don't climb that tree. गिर जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा, वैसा हो जाएगा. These are modern mother, educated mother. She was PhD's mother was not educated. Shepherd lady, she was not educated. But these are all educated varieties. Don't try that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Always tell what is right. One step ahead, two steps behind. Who is responsible for all these things, etc.? No, that she inculcated that spirit in him, etc. And this fellow was always thinking about how to do it. And when the opportunity came, that courage was there. I will do that. So that is how it came. So ghosts are not that high. Don't carry ghost notion from here. So 1% may be there within us. That's why I know it. See, look, ghosts also are afraid of you. You know, and ghosts, you take the name of the Lord, they will not be anywhere near. That is what Mahatma Gandhi did. Mahatma Gandhi was scared of ghosts. It was a lady servant who told her, and he had to take in her, etc. Ram Nam, Lelo, no ghost can come. He was scared of darkness also. So that he had that Shraddha, and that lady also was a pious lady, etc. And that is how it is. Nothing in the name of the Lord they can't do. Actually, we have to sympathize with them. We have to pity with them. So because of there is something they are saying. So now, the question is, Ajnana Dashayam, is it that Jagat is there, and Jnana Dashayam Paramartha Bodhehi, Paramartha Tattva Bodhehi, no Jagat, then what will happen? Jagat will be something real. In the Ajnana, no. In the Ajnana Dasha, also, in reality, there is no just as you don't know the rope, you see the snake. You are verily seeing the snake. You are ignorant of the rope. In this state of ignorance of rope also, really snake is not there. What is that? Only an imagination only. Even Ajnan Dasha also, otherwise not that way. When you are ignorant of the rope, there is snake, and when you have seen the rope, snake goes, then you have to find where it went. Tomorrow it may come again. tomorrow it may come again. So you can't say so. Really it was not there. Even the state of ignorance, it is not there. That's why I say, even in the state of ignorance, that is what is there is only Brahma. Prapancha is not separate from Brahma. Continue.
Yadidam sakalam vishvam nana rupam pratitam ajnana Tatsarvam brahmaiva pratyastha ashesha pavana dosham. Yad idam sapalam vishvam ajnanat nana rupam pratitam tat sarvam प्रत्यस्त अशेष भावना दोषम ब्रह्म एव. Again, yad idam sakalam vishvam ajnanat nana rupam pratitam tat sarvam pratyasta ashesha bhavana dosham brahma eva.
Yadidam sakalam vishvam. Whatever this entire creation, you know why Jagat is called Vishwam? Vividha Pratyaya Gamyam. That which is experienced in a variegated way, in a manifold way. Vividha Pratyaya Gamyam. That which is experienced in a variegated way, manifold way. This Jagat, Sakalam Vishwam, this entire Jagat, Yadidam Sakalam Vishwam, Ajnanat Nana Rupam Pratitam. Ajnana, on account of ignorance. Which ignorance? Ignorance of Swarupa. On account of ignorance of Swarupa. Nana Rupam Pratitam is experienced, is perceived, experience in a manifold way. Manifold ways means many varieties of objects can be, varieties of experiences, sukha, dukkha, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsara, mana, apamana, sickness, health, and all the endless varieties of experiences. So that's why Sakalam Vishwam, Nana Rupam, of varieties of name and form, Pratitam. How? Ajnanat Nana Rupam Pratitam. If you know yourself the waker, dream world is not there. But all variety of dream world is because of what? You the waker is not known, Ajnana of the waker. So like that, Swarupa not known, it manifests as the manifold Jagat. Tatsarvam Pratyastashesha Bhavana Dosham Brahma eva. All this Nana Rupa Vishwa is Brahma eva. When Pratyasta Ashesha Bhavana Dosham. How Brahma appears as Jagat? Now, are you perceiving Jagat? Or because you are sitting in Vedanta class, you are perceiving Jagat? Yes or no? Yes. In the dream, do you perceive Jagat? Dream Jagat. Yes. In the sleep, do you perceive Jagat? Yes or no? Sure? Pakka? But at least that much you know or not. In sleep you don't perceive that. Then we have to find out who is this culprit who is projecting Jagat. In the waking mind is there or not? Yes. In the dream mind is there or not? Yes. In deep sleep mind is there or not? No. In the not dream, sleep, deep sleep. In the deep sleep mind is there or not? No. Is that? That means you are not sleeping. Otherwise, nowadays in sleep mind where to be there, this busy person will sleep on one side and will do business and office work. Also, one side is sleep, other side will do all because so busy activities. All the CEOs, they have no time to sleep and they have to, if they want to compete, they have to work midnight only. Or get at the data and this and that, take decisions and all that they have to work overnight only. No. In sleep, mind is not functioning. What does it mean? Mind is that Jagat is projected. No mind, no Jagat. Therefore, Jagat is projection of the mind. You have proved it. Not I have told you, not Vivek Chudamani has told you. You have proved. Mind projects the Jagat. Is it not? So therefore, entire Jagat is projection of the mind. If mind doesn't project. Have you seen this refraction of the light? I could have done it. You have experimented also. A beam of light is made to pass through a prism. And with Giyar, 7 colors are, is it not? Remove the prism, with Giyar is gone. So, this is the prism of the mind which projects the with Giyar of the Jagat. So, that is what is called as Bhavana Dosha. Bhavana means thought. Thought here means projection of the mind. So that means Jagat is nothing but the projection of the mind. And when it is, what is happened? Pratyasta Ashesha Bhavana Dosha. That projection itself is dosha. You know why dosha? Or it is a glory. Glory provided you are happy. Sorrow, dosha provided you are sorrow. In Jagat, are you happy or sorrow? Both. That means you are not thought properly. That's why you are here on the Vedanta class. Because you have not cut the world to its own size. Because you still think that the Jagat is going to give you some happiness, etc. So that means still Viveka is not complete. Viveka is not complete. It is this. The lack of Viveka makes us think that we will get something desirable from the Jagat. At the end, even at the fag end of the life, what we get is Kaparam. See, we start, I want this, I want that, I want that, I want that. Then it should be fulfilled somewhere, at least something. Maybe, at least in one case it should be fulfilled. Many may not be. In case of one or two, it should be. Is there anyone in whose case it is fulfilled? Wanting this and that. It is fulfilled in the case of those who have discovered the Swarupa, not wanting. So therefore, Jagat is incapable of giving what we really want in life. We really don't want this and that in life. So what we want in life is Ananda to the extent of contentment and totally free from sorrow and not actually object and being. We think object, beings, events can give us happiness and therefore we run after them. Really we are not interested in that. That's why I say many times what we think will be happy is desirable becomes undesirable afterwards. Only you have to think properly. If you don't think, then what? Suffer the samsara. Samsara is unending samsara. Not even this life. Kalpas and kalpas it will continue. So there is no go other than inquiry. Pratyasta means wherein all these Ashesha Vashana Dosha, which is the project of the mind, is, and then what is there is only Brahma. That's like rope appears as snake so long as you don't know rope and project the snake. When you discover the rope, no projection of the snake, what is there is only rope only. So therefore, in reality, just even though for the ignorant person there appears to be snake, what is there is only rope. even though for a jnani there appears to be Jagat in the state of ignorance, what is there is only Paramatmata, Brahma only is there. So now, entire Jagat is nothing but Brahma, is made further clear based on illustration.
Vrukshaya bhuto vimrudo na vinna kumbhosi sarvatra swarupa na kumbharupam krutavasti kumbhaha kuto vrusha kalpita nama matraha अन्वय कुम्भः हृत्कार्यभूतः अपि मृदः भिन्नः न अस्ति सर्वत्र तु मृत्स्वरूपा कुम्भरूपं पृथक् न अस्ति कुतः कुम्भः कल्पितनाम मात्रः
वृषा कल्पितनाम कुम्भः वृषा
कल्पितनाम मात्रः अगेन कुम्भः हृत्कार्यभूतः अपि मृदः भिन्नः न अस्ति सर्वत्र तु मृत्स्वरूपः कुम्भरूपं पृथक् न अस्ति कुतः कुम्भः वृषा कल्पितनाम मात्रः.
Illustration is that of mud pot. A pot made up of mud. A pot made up of mud. Now it says Kumbha. So here Kumbha is mud pot. Any pot can be Kumbha, but illustration is that of the mud pot. Kumbha. Vrutkarya bhuta. Even though it is the karya, effect, product of mud. Though the pot is made up of mud, when the pot is made up of mud, what is the pot? Mud. It is nothing but mud. In and through the pot, what is there is only? But earlier it was called mud, now it has got, it is called pot. Earlier it has no specific form of the pot, now it has got the specific form of the pot. Earlier it didn't have the name pot, but now it has got the name pot. But what is it actually? Mud and mud only. Kumbha vrutkarya bhutaha api. Even though it is the effect, the product of mud, mrudaha bhinnaha nasti. It is not something different, it is not something distinct from what? From mud. Then why you call it mud pot? And not only that, you give existence to pot and qualify by mud. Swamiji Krishna, golden chain, he said, Cheni gold you have to say, not golden chain. Cheni gold, Cheni silver, Cheni copper. So that's what you have to say. Potty mud. Huh? Potty mud, platey mud, lidy mud, you have to say. But what we make the pot as the noun and the mud as the adjective. So it can be not. See, when you can do that? there are varieties of pots made up of mud, copper, silver, etc. Then you have to what? Pot becomes the noun, other becomes the adjective. But suppose out of mud only many things are made, then what becomes? Then what is muddy? Muddy pot, muddy plate. So like that you have to muddy cup. Railway department. So in fact if they clean it most hygienic, mud cup, you know why? Best disposable. You just throw it, you just break it, काम हो गया. So that's nice. But it should be clean. It should not be just dusty and dirty. Says, na kumbha bhinna na asti. Why? What is the reason? He says, sarvatra tu mrutsvarupa. In and through the pot, what is there is only mud and mud only. Sarvatra mrutsvarupa. Kumbharupam prithak na asti. There is nothing called pot. See, look here. When you see the mud pot, if you focus your attention on the mud, what is that? That you don't. But if it is a golden chain, then you will focus on gold. That's why ये मट जाएगा तो क्या बिगड़ेगा? पर गोल्ड जाएगा तो इतना पैसा जाएगा. So therefore it says, so now say golden chain. In and through is what? Gold. Only where your attention is focused, that makes a difference. If your attention is focused on the nama rupa of the pot, then what will happen? It is a pot. If your attention is focused on the very content, the material of which it is made, it is what? Mud. Nothing but mud. So that's why Kumbharupaha prithak nasti. All that is there is only mud only, there is nothing called pot. Kutaha, how do you say so? You have to take kutaha as a separate question. Kutaha, how do you say so? He says, Kumbha vrisha kalpita namamatra. Pot is something falsely imagined, name only. Do you know why? So long as that particular form is there, you will call it a pot. Break it. Again, mud. So what is first and last? Mud. Not the pot. So for your convenience, for your vyavahara, you are giving the name as pot. But it was mud, it is mud, it shall ever be mud. So that's what comes and goes, pot comes and goes, mud is always. Therefore, Adavante Chayannasti Vartamane Tattata. Great truth declared by Gaudapadacharya in Mandukya Karika. Adau ante cha yannasti, that which is not in the beginning and at the end, vartamani, during the period of its existence. Tattatha means really it is not there. Before pot was made, what was there? After pot was destroyed, what is going to be there? In between is there means what is there is only mud only, not really the pot. Kumbha vrisha kalpita nama matra. It is only falsely projected name only. What is there is only mud. Likewise, what is there is only Brahma, Nama Rupa Jagat is projection of the mind, which we can verify. How? Right now we have verified. Waking and dream, Jagat is there. Sleep, Jagat is not there. In sleep, mind doesn't function, no Jagat. In waking and dream, mind functions, Jagat. Therefore, mind is product of projection of what? Jagat is product of our mind. Same thing is further clarified.
केनापि वृद्धिन्नतया स्वरूपम् घटस्य सन्दर्शयितुं न शक्यते अतो घटः कल्पित एव मोहात् हृदेव सत्यं परमार्थभूतम् अन्वय केन अपि घटस्य स्वरूपं हृद्भिन्नतया सन्दर्शयितुं न शक्यते अतः घटः मोहात् एव कल्पितः हृद् एव सत्यं परमार्थभूतम् अगेन केन अपि घटस्य स्वरूपं हृद्भिन्नतया सन्दर्शयितुं न शक्यते अतः घटः मोहात् एव कल्पितः हृद् एव सत्यं परमार्थभूतम्
The pot is nothing but the projection of the mud, projection of the mind. That is now made perfect. Kena api, even by anyone, however great that person may be, ghatasya swarupam vruddhinnataya sandarshayitum na shakti. Ask anyone to show the pot distinct from mud. That should not be mud, but pot must be. Can you even Ishvara will say sorry, unless we have got some other. Because we can't say anything about Ishvara, because he is the one behind all these things. So he doesn't say. Kenapi, by any person, whosoever, however great, however skillful the person may be, however knowledgeable the person may be, ghatasya swarupam, the true nature of this ghata pot, vruddhinnataya, context is mud pot. Don't bring some copper pot and then say, no, not that way. Context is what kumbha, mud pot. They say, vruddhinnataya, the sandarshayitum na shakyate, it is not possible. Therefore, the conclusion is, घटाः अतः घटाः मोहात् कल्पितः एव. Therefore, pot is mohat kalpitah. Moha can mean ajnana, due to ignorance, or moha can be delusion, because of delusion, consequent to ajnana, product of ajnana, error. Moha can mean error, erroneously projected error. So, Hrudeva Satyam Paramartha Bhutam. Whatever the truth is what? Mud and mud alone. What is Satyam? That which was before its creation, that which is in and through the creation, that which is there after the destruction of the pot. What is it? First and last. So that is the Satyam. Appearance of pot comes and goes. Now Jagat, you miss it. That is fine. We can verify as far as the mud and the pot is concerned. But Jagat, how can it? Before the Jagat, before the creation, Brahma was there. During the creation, Brahma is there. After the destruction, Brahma is there. How can you verify? You can verify. before you woke up, Jagat was there. We are taking a one day, okay? Not a unit, a time unit. See, before you woke up today morning, suppose let us say, you woke up at 5:30. At 5:29 a.m., your Jagat was there. Were you there? Were you there? Some have got filled out. You were there, you were sleeping. When you were there, Chaitanya were there or not? The Chaitanya is what? Brahma. Jagat was not there, Chaitanya was there. You woke up, Jagat was projected. Chaitanya is there or not? That's why you are experiencing, is it not? Now, afterward you will return home, have a dinner, etc. Serial देखेंगे. तो बाद में you will sleep. When you sleep, Jagat is there? No. You are there? Yes. Chaitanya is there? Yes. Come on, tell me. You yourself can verify. Chaitanya were there, Chaitanya is there, Chaitanya shall be there. That Chaitanya is Brahma. Brahma was there before creation. We are taking a unique creation. What applies to unique creation applies to Pralaya, Kalpa. See, just like this, before Kalpa, Chaitanya Sadeva Soma, if you want, Shruti also is there. Sadeva Soma idam agra asi. Idamaha jagataha agre sat eva asi. When Jagat born, Sat only is there. Destruction, Sat is there. Kalpas come and go, Kalpas come and go. What is their final first and last is? Brahma. You can, as a unit you can verify. As an individual you can. Don't think it's something believing or something. In spite of this, you nod your head, but then God says, okay, let God save you. So what can be done? This but cannot be answered. This is what we have verified. There is nothing is taken for granted as such. So that means Chaitanya is there, Jagat comes and goes, Jagat comes and goes. So that's all. That is Ghataha mohat eva kalpitaha, ajnanad eva kalpitaha. By Brahma only it is projected. So therefore, so paramartha bhutam hrideva satyam. Likewise, Jagat, if you consider paramartha bhuta is Brahma only. So far, with the illustration of mud pot, this was highlighted. Now Darshana. First and last is Brahman, Jagat comes and goes, therefore Jagat is not different from Brahman. Continue.
Tad Brahma karyam sakalam sadevam tad matrame tanna tatonyadasti Astiti yo vaktina tasya mohaha Vinirgato nisritavasajalvaha Advaya Etat Sakalam Sat Brahma Karyam Sadaiva Tat Matram Tataha Anyat Na Asti Yaha Asti Iti Vakti Tasya Mohaha Na Vinirgataha Nisritavat Sajalvaha. again, etat sakalam sat brahma karyam sadaiva tat matram tataha anyat na asti yaha asti iti vakti tasya mohaha na vinirgataha nitritavat prajalpaha.
Etat sakalam means etat sakalam jagat, this entire jagat. What is that? Sat Brahma Karyam. It is the effect, product of Sat Swarupa Brahma. What is Sat Swarupa? Trikala Abadhita Vastu. Sat Swarupa Brahma Sakalam Sat Brahma Karyam. Sat Brahma Karyam. How? How do you say this product of Brahma? Without Brahma, it has no existence. Karya has no existence apart from Karya. But only Brij appears to change as the pot, appears like that, but here such a thing is not there. This is just like a rope appearing as snake. He says, Etat Sakalam. Sakalam is entire Jagat, past, present and future, all Jagat. Sat Brahma Karya. Sada eva Tanmatram. Always, Tanmatram means Sanmatram is always nothing but Sat Swarupa only. Anya Ataha Anyat Na Asti. Ataha means Brahmanaha Anyat Na Asti. It is not distinct from Brahma. Now, if someone says, no, Jagat is different from Brahma, says, Yaha Asti iti Vakti. What is that Asti iti Vakti? Jagat Brahmanaha Anyat Asti iti Vakti. One who says Jagat is different from Brahma. You know, Tasya Mohaha Na Vinirgataha. His ajnana, his stupor has not gone, and therefore do you know what is it? Nidritavat Prajalpaha. Like the talking of a person who is asleep. Prajalpa means pralapa, bud. Children do that. Mother asked him, with whom were you quarreling yesterday? This fellow was quarreling with someone. Man, he is asleep. But in the sleep only he was talking. That people who talk in the, especially children do that. Sometimes the elderly person also. Elderly person also. Somewhere that mind is leaking. Mind which has gone to sleep, some leakage is there possibly, and therefore something is there. So you must be, especially children, this is a common feature among the children. Nidrita, like the prattling in the sleep, which has no, what does it mean? Which has no sense. It has no sense at all. So that a person himself doesn't know what he was talking, etc. So that's like Nidra Prajalpava. So this Jagat is nothing but this. This is told based on Chandogya Shruti. Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asi. Neha Nanasti Kinchana. Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asi. Now one may say, maybe in one Upanishad, it may be some exceptional statement. No, all Shruti, all Upanishads describe that Jagat is not separate from Brahma. Now based on Mundaka, Shruti is being told. Mundaka, second chapter, section 2, mantra 11. So that everything is nothing but Brahma and Brahma only. That is now being told.
ब्रह्मैवेदं विश्वमित्येव वाणी श्रौती ब्रूते सर्वनिष्ठा वरिष्ठा तस्मादेतद्ब्रह्ममात्रं हि विश्वम् नाधिष्ठानात् भिन्नतारोपितस्य अन्वय इदं विश्वं ब्रह्म एव इति एव अथर्वनिष्ठा वरिष्ठा श्रौती वाणी ब्रूते तस्मात् एतद् विश्वं हि ब्रह्ममात्रम् आरोपितस्य अधिष्ठानात् भिन्नता न. Again, idam vishwam brahma eva iti eva atharvanishtha varishtha shrauti vani brute tasmat etad vishwam hi brahma matram aropitasya adhishthanaat vinnata na.
This is from Mundaka Upanishad, which is in the Atharvana Veda. Atharva Veda. Everything is Brahma and Brahma. Above, below, on right, left, front, back, all is nothing but Varishtha Brahma. So therefore, Jagat is not separate from Brahma. So that means he gives a rule. Anything aropita has no existence apart from the Adhisthana. Brahma is Adhisthana, Jagat is Aropita. Rope is Adhisthana, snake is Aropita. Aropita snake has no existence apart from Adhisthana rope. Same thing applies here, word by word, we see next time.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं मनीषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोकरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् अयतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णः